Hi everyone! Today we're taking you to the world's capital of perfume. That's at least what the locals like to call the city of Grasse. So, let's stroll through the medieval old town and get a feeling for this particular place on the French Riviera. Also, find out how to create your own fragrance at one of the traditional perfumeries. Grasse is a lot less posh than Nice, Cannes or Antibes, but it's very charming in its own ways. I should know because it's been my adopted hometown for 20 years now. About 20 minutes from the coast into the hinterland, nestled in the foothills of the Alps with its own microclimate, flowers like roses and jasmine have always grown abundantly in Grasse. Back in the Middle Ages, Grasse became known for its gifted leather tanners, but their gloves and bags smelled terribly, which is how they came up with the idea to bathe the gloves in rose water. And with that, a new industry was born. The perfume industry. One of the oldest perfumeries in Europe is Galimard. Established in 1747, we'll get a closer look at this company later in the film. So Grasse's main attractions today might be the 3 big perfumeries that offer free guided tours in different languages: Galimard, Molinard, and most prominent today, Fragonard. And of course there's the International Perfumery Museum. But even if you're not into alluring fragrances, you should take at least a few hours to discover medieval Grasse and have a drink in one of their cute squares. Our favorite brand new place is Place Morel, just above the recently opened, award-winning media center Charles Nègre. Within the library, you'll find a sweet little rooftop cafe, by the way.
Nous avons ici des spectateurs du 21e siècle qui sont venus. Pour vous, ne les décevez pas. Ils me connaissent donc? Mais oui, bien sûr, mais tout le monde vous connaît. Vous êtes un photographe célèbre du 19e siècle, un des pionniers de cet art nouveau.
Back in September, Anya and I met a group of German high school students who came to Grasse to create their own perfume. And we were allowed to join them. So let's go and act like proper noses, as the French call a perfumer. Be as spontaneous as possible. That's what the youngsters are told when seated in front of the so-called perfume organ. Within the next 2 hours, they will each come up with their own favorite scent to take home.
Wir stellen heute mit der Schule unser eigenes Parfüm zusammen. 100 Milliliter, also 50 für uns beide. Und ja, da haben wir einiges gelernt, wie sich das zusammenstellt. Wussten wir davon noch nicht, aber sehr interessant wirklich.
So, how to put together an eau de parfum like a pro? Every perfume is made of a base, a heart and a top note. The top note is what you'll smell first. The heart will stay with you all day and the base sticks even longer.
Also wir suchen uns unsere Düfte selber aus, welche Geschmäcker uns gefallen, welche Düfte. Wir probieren alle durch und dann sagt das Bauchgefühl einem, was am besten einem gefällt.
After a lot of sniffing and pressing their noses into the crook of their elbows to neutralize their sense of smell, Finn and Alex are happy with their results.
Chemisches Wissen benötigt man hierfür nicht.
When everybody's received their diploma, The students and their teachers continue their journey with a visit to Galimard's perfume factory. Their own perfume now needs to be kept in a dark place for 3 weeks until it has settled and is ready to bewitch. Find more information about the perfume workshops in the description below this film. And if you want to become a professional perfumer, of course Grasse is the place to go. Here you can become a nose within 5 years.